Hi guys, welcome to another video of the Dancer's Book, and my name is Aleksandar Bonev. In today's video I'm going to dedicate my time for all beginners that are trying to learn how to Rumba walk. So once again, all beginners who are trying to learn how to Rumba walk. Enjoy the video and please consider subscribing. Thank you. Alright my friends, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm simply going to demonstrate for you what we are going to do today. So we're going to have a weight over one foot and the other one is going to stand behind us. What we're going to do is we're going to do this, that, this, that. With that being said, we're going to break down our Rumba walk on 3 points. So we'll have 1, 2, 3. Simply 3 things to think of, especially if you're a beginner dancer. So first thing we're going to do. We're going to put all of our weight, in my case, I'm doing so over the left foot. The right foot of yours needs to be behind you. You want to make sure that it's well connected with the floor. The very first action of yours, since we mentioned that we'll have 3, is essentially switching. So I'll do it once again, switching. Once again, a little slower, switching. The second thing that we need to do is we need to continue sliding and essentially go to a split weight position. And the third thing is going on the foot. All right, let's do it from a different angle actually. So we'll have our weight over the left foot in my case. The back one is well connected. The first thing I do is I do a switch. Second thing is I commence to a split weight. And third thing, I'll fully put all my weight over the right foot of mine. Then of course the action should repeat starting with the left foot straight ahead. So I'm going to do it from a different angle. My right foot is free and I'll do and going, weight on the right foot, and going, weight on the left foot. So as you can see, there are simply 3 points that as of now you have to follow. And if you manage to achieve a successful Rumba walk with those 3 points, you can check out one of our videos for the 7 types of essentially Latin Rumba walks that I believe it was done a few months ago. So let me do it again from a different angle. Weight all the way over one foot. Obviously feet should be turned out. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and once again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, a couple of common mistakes that you most likely would like to essentially avoid practicing your Rumba walk. So, number one is when you're transferring your weight, sometimes people transfer the weight way too fast. Okay, what that does is that essentially makes your Rumba walk looks very choppy instead of fluid, just as it should be. Second thing, with that forward poise of yours, so you may have heard it, please be careful, because if you overdo your forward poise, then you're most likely in trouble carrying your weight forward. Third thing, head position. You want to make sure the head and spine are very well aligned together. So you want to make sure that you don't drop it, right? So simply keep your posture straight. Probably the last thing that I'll mention for this video is essentially for the hands as itself. So you want to make sure that you don't overdo your hands, especially when you are still learning your feet, for example, since this is a beginner video. So essentially you can either keep your hands slightly in front and simply focus on your footwork. You can also keep them down as long as they don't move and they don't affect you in a negative way. So those are the things that you need to focus on. I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing to our channel. There's a lots of videos coming whatsoever. If you like the video, like button is down below. Please make sure that you hit it. Stay tuned for more videos and thanks.